Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can keep friend lists private or how we can easily make your friends lists private. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right up corner to the menu or go to right bottom corner. You want to scroll down below, and then you're going to see here settings and privacy. So this is what we're looking for. Click on the settings. When you're going to be in settings, you want to scroll down below again, and you're going to see here privacy settings. Then you want to scroll down below again, and here you're going to see who can send you friend requests and who can see your friend list. Let's click on who can see your friend list. And right here, you want to click from public to friends expect or only me, and click only me. And this is how we do it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.